Alright, today we're going to do a tutorial on a wireless Rode mic box opening. So in the box you get two mics, USB cable, SC cable and your pouch. It's all in the box. And basically you attach it. It's ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone, digital transmission. You've got all your wires and connectivity in the box. Get everything out, connect it up. You do need to charge them up a little bit, so you've got a little bit of power, but you really need one of these for your YouTube and your TikTok videos. One of them will attach onto you, and the other one you will connect to your phone or your computer or your laptop or your mirrorless or your bridge or your camera. Once you've connected them up, switch it on. You see the blue lights come on. This is the one that you're going to connect to you. You're going to switch on the other one like so. There's a little button at the bottom. Switch it on and it will say wireless connectivity on the little screen that you can see on this short clip. Once that comes up, there you go, wireless. The power will show up and you can see that the audio little bar is making that kind of movement that's suggesting the sound it's picking up. Connect it with your red wire to your camera or your phone, and then literally you're ready to go. So you can see the little bar, you can see the little blue lights. Once those two things are connected, that means the two things are connected together. So yeah, so once you've connected up, you can see the little green bar that's going in and out. That means you're ready to go. I'm using the Rode mic actually to record the sound for this video, so you can see that without the video, without the sound bars, Rode mic, with the Rode mic, it does make a difference to the absolute quality of your sound. The sound is really important, so yeah, so definitely invest in some Rode mics if you're a YouTuber or a blogger. These are really, really useful. Thanks for watching, guys.